Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today what we are making, sushi. That too, it's raw. You can say that, and it's not making that cook and you have to making many things. It's very easy, very simple. Let's dive in. For this sushi, what we are doing is we are not taking any extra wrap. We are making wrap by using this cucumber. Okay, we are going to take this, we will peel this and we are going to use that one. Okay, for filling, I have taken here carrot. Carrot you have to grate it finely, and this beetroot. It looks like rice. Instead of rice, we are taking using this too. And you can squeeze a little bit of beetroot and carrot if you want, or else you can just leave it. And I have taken here bell pepper, capsicum, green I have taken. You can take any color, yellow, red. Okay, and for the green leaves I have taken here spinach. You can go for any other green leaves also. This is the filling, and for this sauce I am going to apply some sauce inside. For that I have taken here cashews we have to soak overnight. Okay, then for that I am going to grind with coriander leaves and black pepper, ginger, salt, and black salt, and any spice you can take. I have like thyme or rosemary or oregon or anything, or else you can just skip this part and remaining things you can add. Okay, these are things we are going to grind it. So come, let's peel this one. Peeling also we should not go till the seed, only outer part we are going to peel it. Okay, how much is possible, that much we can remove. So see, like this you have to peel. We are going to use this as a wrap. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to place this one after one like this, and where you are placing you can take any parchment sheet down you can put, or else if you have a sushi roll, that also you can use. I was not having, just I'm using this apartment sheet. So take cucumber slices, see, peel it and just use it. Keep it like this, align this. So how much is possible, that much you can do. So I'm using 4 side also. You need not to peel the skin, this one you can use whole. Only one layer I'm just removing. See, I'm just removing one layer. So now we have placed the slices, right? Now what we have to do is we have to apply the paste sauce. So for that we have to grind those ingredients which I have shown you, right? Let's grind that. So let's take a jar and then add soaked cashews and all the spices we can add to this. So let's grind without water. We just grinded this. See, it needs a water to grind. So instead of water, we can add a cucumber itself. We got a leftover cucumber, right? That one we can add. So add this leftover cucumber itself. How much you want? Instead of water, we are using it. So just grind one more time into smooth paste. We have just grinded this into smooth paste. Yeah. Can you see how smooth it is? It's very nice, right? So we are going to use this. You can use this as a dip. Okay, as a sauce we are using it. So, and you can taste it. If you feel like adding some more salt or any spices, you can add some more. So now we can spread this sauce evenly. So we will just add these ingredients inside filling. So you have to place this carrot and beetroot. So now capsicum. If you have avocado, other stuff, you can add it. It will give you like more
more enhanced taste. Spinacho. So you add this much, enough. Okay. Okay, we got all the fillings, right? So you can add if you want some more ingredients, or else just keep it like that. That is enough. So for rolling, see how I am rolling, you just carefully see. I am just lifting this up and trying. So no need to roll the paper. Okay. See, you should not roll this paper. Only we are rolling the cucumber. And now we can't cut and eat it like this because sometimes it might come out. So what you have to use the toothpick for single bite. So each bite, how much you want, that much you have to poke this toothpick, and then we will cut that. So you can hold the toothpick and eat it like that. So now you have to cut this. If you have a sharp knife, you can use that. Slowly, carefully you can cut this. Now we have a sushi thing ready. So you can lift this up whole. Can you see this? Okay, you can add some more filling. I have added little, so it is this much only. Like there will be like a red, orange, everything colors. Like sushi is ready. Let's arrange this in a plate. For decoration, you can use whatever you want. I am just using sesame seeds.
So we have a special guest, Rashi Tiwari, Dr. Rashi Tiwari, and actually I am using her Zero Cafe to make these recipes and all. I am so grateful for giving me this space, and she was going to taste this sushi. I am going to give her. Let's see what her reaction will be like and how it is. Can you say this how it is?
Sure.
Can you have it and say?
It's a pleasure to have this. Okay. Very nice. So refreshing. It has so many flavors that the sauce has. And it's hydrating because it is full of cucumber and lot of raw vegetables. It's a perfect treat for as a starter for your meal because it's so hydrating, so full of fiber. So,
Yeah.
it's delicious. I like it.
And it's raw. Everything is raw.
Everything
and,
is raw.
Yeah, it gives that freshness, right? Whenever we eat raw fully, it will be like a most refreshing thing.
Yes. So normally when you eat sushi, you like to eat and then you don't feel this freshness at the end. But this sushi is special because it's raw. You feel fresh. You want to keep on eating more and more. It's amazing. So you should try this. Awesome. Thank you so much.
When you make, even you are going to love this. So try this in your home. Okay, thank you for watching till the end. Thank you Rashi for giving this kitchen space, and you tested this also, taste wise also. She gave approval also to you all make. So thank you so much for watching till the end. See you in the next video. Namaste.